Hi, and welcome to a presentation of Group 56's Project 3 submission. I am William Johnson, one of the members of this group, and I will be walking us through the program and what we have. So the basis of this project is we took a lot of congestion data as well as little weighted numbers based on things like how easy it would be or how efficient and cost effective it would be to build new roads, um, as well as population increases in certain areas. So essentially, at the end, after calculating all our data in C++ and using algorithms to do that, we are going to load a Python program which uses the Folium library to display a web map with different city areas highlighted in a kind of color-coded fashion based on how necessary it would need to build these roads. So let's start the project. To run this project, we just need to go to the working directory, which is in Project 3 within the original Project 3 folder, and we're just going to run the makefile. So here we go. We have opened all our input files, and those are now loaded into a graph. And now we have to choose which algorithm we would like to determine, our importance of these nodes. So we can figure out how many edges or paths or roads are passing through these cities. And essentially using both just simple degree calculation and between the centrality, we can kind of determine how effective it would be or how dire it would be to build new roads. So originally we were going to keep it a bit more zoomed in, but I realized that the mapping capabilities of Folium were a lot more flexible than I had previously thought. We can get an entire map of the United States in this and zoom in on whatever states or cities we want. So let's start by analyzing between this centrality. Just going to click 1. And that's just running the algorithms necessary, and then it's going to load the Python web map. So now I need to pick N cities, and I'm just going to go with a generic 1,000 here. It's good to have it in multiples of 10 for this program. And here we go. Uses the web browser kind of built-in library for Python just to load this in Chrome for me. So here we go. We have all these, big old circles showing. And if we zoom into these, we can get data on these cities. So a lot of these are not necessarily big cities, but more, more regional areas, but they're always surrounded, as you can see right here, by roads. And here we have, so this one's like on the bit of the redder side. So we can check that and get all its data for that. So its weighted centrality is 6.01195. And these are a combination of multipliers among basically coefficients combined with these ranks and added to the betweenness centrality. And then here we have some um, latitude and longitude data at the bottom here. So if we were to select degree calculation instead, which I'm not going to show here because it selects a different, the most, important nodes in the graph based on degree calculation as opposed to that. And we wouldn't get much of a different output. So essentially, yeah, this is what the program does. And we can get, data from all these points. The bluer it is, the less dire. Goes blue, light blue, yellow, green, no, green, yellow, orange, red. All right. Thank you.